nomo waziri we kilimo na livestock Kisii County Elijah Obwoli igabono igangotebia abaremi ba Kisii County ng'a batige kogenda echiro na kugura obwoyo bori bokonigu nemekebe ase yare irinse. Obwoyo obu bwatokire ng'ati bori bwoyo namaraba abantu bagosang'anani bakoni naende aye buna omoremi oise konyora omonto ogokoneria obwoyo boigoire obwoyo obu bono bwasarekire bwa chinguruti chiyo ekiegera chinguru chia obwoyo mbori bogachire buya ase enyomba naende bogachire buna Kenya Bureau of Standards egoteba igo onde bwensi ogochigotoko koni obwoyo gose ebituma gose seeds chinde chionsi chiri chiogosimeka eserekari ngochikomobwatere naende anyare koba goikigwe ekegambero gie ekoti gochakera rero iga abantu bonsi bari bakoni obwoyo ase open air market tiga batige egekorwa eki twakekanire kagete ine communication twatagete korwa gochia ase abaremi baito na baria bakoni obwoyo ase open air market batige kabisa mambi kubwaterana na security team na commissioner ntoche totware barasa mambi ari daraja mbiri chinsa inye togochikonya koba tokoeresa ng'aki oboremi bwaito bore naende ngike bwenete gokorwa ase bari bakoni ebinto ase market. Now, I'm Elijah Obwoli, the CC in charge of Agriculture, Fisheries and Cooperative Development, Kisii County. Today we have had a meeting with the County Commissioner and the security team over the issue of fake fertilizer in the county. Recently, some people at Suneka were found to be manufacturing fake fertilizer, and they have been taken to court. So today we have had this meeting to communicate to the people that our farmers should not go to the markets and purchase anything which is purported to be a fertilizer being sold in the open air market. Farmers are encouraged to go to the designated agrovet shops where they are supposed to buy fertilizer from, and especially during this planting season. So they should desist from going to open air markets to purchase the the fertilizers. Also, issues dealing with the seed which is sold in the open air market should not be bought, because that does not form part of the certified seeds which farmers are supposed to plant. Now, when they buy fertilizer from this open air market, it affects our food security, because the source of that fake fertilizer is not known and it cannot be traced. So it is a warning to the traders to stop selling fake fertilizers in the open air market starting from this time. Actually, we are going to carry out an operation in all the markets in the county. So anybody who is found to be selling fake fertilizers, they are going to be apprehended. Thank you.